how to remove number from Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can remove number from Snapchat, so make sure to stick with me till the end. If you would like to remove your phone number from Snapchat, open up the Snapchat application here. Then all you have to do is just simply tap on the Bitmoji avatar from the top left of the screen. Once you've done that, tap the gear icon located at the top right hand side. Then here you will be able to see your mobile number that is associated with your Snapchat account. So you can tap on that mobile number option. Now all you have to do is simply go ahead and then enter the new number that you want to use. Once you enter the new number you want to use, tap on the verify option and then your account will get successfully verified and your phone number will get removed. Now, if you don't have another phone number, you just want to remove this phone number, there is still a way that you can do this, which I'm not going to guide you through the steps, but I'll just tell you how you can do it. And that is that if you want to only remove the number and not add another number, then you have to create a new account using that same phone number. When you create that new account using the same phone number, on this account, this number will get removed automatically. And you can delete that account and just keep the main account. So trick is to create a new account with the same phone number, delete that account, and on this account, that phone number will also get removed without having to add another number. So this way you can remove number from Snapchat. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.